Mate, you could fit like 3 bodies in this boot.
On this episode of GrassRoots Garage, we head back to the sleepy little town of Warragamba and catch up with a familiar face, Chris from Shonky Garage, and he's brought along his injected 5-litre WB Holden Statesman Deville.
Welcome to GrassRoots Garage. I hope you recognise Chris. Chris, thanks for your time, man.
Hey, Pete.
Tell us about this beautiful big old beast here.
Okay, well, it's a 1982 Holden WB Statesman Deville. It's got an injected 5-litre in it, 18-inch Simmons. And that's about it. It's a family cruiser.
It's a beautiful family cruiser. So this car's got a bit of history behind it. Give us a bit of the background on the car.
Okay, so my mate got it from someone who originally had a wedding car business, and he had 2 of these matching cars as wedding cars. That's as sort of all I really know about it at this stage. But he had 2 of them matching cars. It was also used as a Shannon's promo car at some stage as well.
So it's an Australian built car?
Yeah, yep.
Okay, it's based off of a Kingswood?
Yeah, like the old HQs. This is the last of that shape before they went into the Commodores.
Is it extended chassis?
Yeah, they are. They're a bit longer than obviously a standard Kingswood. Yeah. The 4-door. You can see the extra window.
But I can feel like I can see the Kingswood door here.
Yes. So that's like the Kingswood door, and then this part is the extra.
So they've changed the old Kingswood would have been like that.
That's right. Yeah. Yep.
Okay. All right. So these are like So is that part of this car hard to find? So it's a Kingswood front, isn't it?
Well, pretty much, yeah. All the front ends are the same because a lot of these, there's not many of these on the road anymore because of the front end. They used to use a lot of them on 1-tonners, old Holden 1-tonners.
Yes. Yep.
So a lot of these Statesmans just aren't around, or they've been scrapped because they just wanted the front end off of them, and that was it.
Okay.
So.
Yeah, and this was the top of the line.
Well, the Caprice is the top of the line. This is the Deville. This is the model just under the Caprice. Okay. But it still has all the power options, the windows, mirrors, and air conditioning. Mm-hmm. These were a luxury car.
Nice. Can we do the? Can we go under the bonnet?
Of course we can.
Look.
Of course we can.
Let's do it, man. Hello. I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, it's got the injected 5-litre motor, which is out of a VS Commodore.
Yes.
So they're like, I don't know how many kilowatts they are, like 195 or something like that. Mm-hmm. Just coupled with the auto behind it. It's fairly stock. It's just a real nice cruising car.
Yeah.
It's not over the top.
Yeah.
I'd love to have a 871 blower out the bonnet and all the gear, but you've got to have something that's a little bit sort of reliable and as a family cruiser.
In 1982, if you're on top of your game and you're an executive or you're some kind of businessman and you wanted the best, you bought the Statesman with the little lights on the pillars and with the little cigarette lighters in the rear doors, and you had your driver drive you around. And the stories these cars could tell about the things that went down, like power windows back in the day, 82 power windows. I'm sure some of the top of the line Beamers and Mercedes had it before then, but this thing's just a beast. I love it. So last time we were out here, we were checking out the Shonky Garage stable. But give us a bit of an update. What's changed?
Okay, 2 of the cars from Shonky Garage originally had both departed. The wagon's gone. They went to Queensland, and the 180B has gone. So 180B made room for this in a deal I made with a mate, and so it's changed a little bit. There is room at the moment. There is another spot for another car, so that'll be an up and coming episode hopefully.
Nice.
So we'll have to see what happens. Yeah.
Definitely. Yeah, we'll be back.
Yeah.
So hopefully you've enjoyed checking out this absolutely stunning cruiser. It's hard to capture that feeling of just driving, just enjoying the road in such a beautiful car. But hopefully you've felt that feeling of just country Australia, just cruising in such a beautiful old car. So hope you enjoyed this episode. Chris, thanks for your time, man.
Thanks, Pete.
That wraps up this episode of GrassRoots Garage. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to all our socials. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one.
This episode of GrassRoots Garage. Again. Make my joke about. Take me to the bowls club, please, driver.